Ramen Raider coming at you with instant noodle recipe time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from Japan. This came out of an Umai crate. You can go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, get yourself one of these things. There's a whole bunch of things. It's a box. It's yellow. This is from Kenko Foods. This is Michio Kawamura natural noodle miso ramen from Japan. And yeah, let's do this. So we've got our noodle block going in for 3 minutes on the boil and then 1 session. So, how are you? I'm good. It's a happy Friday to you. And, yeah. Been noodling it up like crazy lately. Ooh, it's just after 3:30 or 8:30 a.m. And, yeah, making noodles. Doing some miso. Clicking my face hole. Talking like Kermit the Frog. Oh. I was talking to my sister yesterday, and she was like, "You do that one pretty well. You should like do it in your episodes. You know, somebody might see it and like try to contact you about it. That might be an agent for such things." I'm like, oh wow, that would be really neat. You know, doing the funny voice for people. You know, I don't know. Yeah, Kermit the Frog and all that. And then the other one I like to do is Deckard Cain from Diablo 2. What does he say? Oh, it's time to make a sandwich. I don't know. That's what I like to do. I've always liked to make funny noises. But, yeah. And when I was a kid, I screamed my head off all the time. Maybe that kept my larynx flexible to make weird... to talk funny. I don't know. I just really hate it. It's sunny and rainy at the same time, and there's no rainbow. What's it got to hide? I don't know. I found a thing. I'm generally not a big fan of the Muppets. I like Sesame Street, but I'm just not really a huge Muppet fan. I mean, of course, I like, what was it, the Electric Mayhem, the band, Dr. Teeth and Animal. That's cool. And the guys on the balcony. I guess I do like the Muppets. But anyway, there was this video that I found on YouTube of Jim Henson and Frank Oz they were doing a camera test for the Muppet movie I saw the other day. It's hella funny. It was like Kermit telling Fozzie Bear he's not really a real bear. He's actually filled with styrofoam, and then Fozzie gets on. He's like, I'm not trying to be a jerk, but you know. You do have a wire that's moving your arm, you know. So technically, you're not a real frog. Who knew? I was thinking it'd be fun to talk like Kermit the Frog for an entire day. Maybe I could pull it off. That'd be weird. I wonder if anybody'd notice. Like, yeah, okay. I think I could do that. I don't know. I don't know if I could actually go out in public and talk like Kermit the Frog all day. That'd be... wow. I don't know if I could do that. Broth. Miso, huh? That is one light miso. It's not. Uh-oh. Miles has given Mimi the business on this episode of Leave It to Miles. So, why in God's name? So we watch cartoons in the morning on Saturday. We have that. That's on MeTV. And what's funny is that used to be KVOS in Bellingham, which is what I used to watch cartoons on Saturday mornings, right? But it's mostly like Looney Tunes stuff. Anyways, on Sundays, they play Saved by the Bell, which I'm really, really not a fan of. But up in the corner, you know what it says on it? It says E/I, which means educational/instructional, which it also says on things that are educational and instructional, which, I'm sorry, but what are you going to learn off of Saved by the Bell? That's scary. Okay, that's like saying you're going to learn a whole bunch of stuff off of, what was that other show that took place? Head of the Class or Welcome Back, Kotter. Why don't they put that, give that rating to those? I don't think they do. But Saved by the Bell, instructional? I don't know. How not to be a jerk? All that show really tells you is like, hey, there's one guy that's weird, so we're gonna like call him the weird guy. And then this guy's like the popular jock guy, so he's okay. And then this guy's the preppy guy, so he's okay. It's like not very nice. Oh, drippy. Don't be too drippy. It's funny how like one side will be drippy, but this side will get a little uninterested in being drippy. Okay. This is irritating me now. Come on. Pop up a little. That's a little bit better. I don't know. This egg doesn't seem to want to be conforming. Subdivisions. You don't see that on Saved by the Bell. But I am looking for those cruise missiles. Yeah, I know. I'm just dropping weird references left and right. But a nod is as good as a wink to a blind bat. But if ifs and buts were candy and nuts, we'd all have a Merry Christmas. And yeah, I don't know. It's Friday. I like that. I'm in the mood for Friday today, and it really doesn't matter if I'm in the mood for it or not. That's simply what it is. So I guess it's kind of helpful that I'm embracing the concept that it's Friday, right? Yeah. And since it is Friday, it's been a while. I should get more of this stuff. Wow, this is ancient. Just so you know, Laogan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp really does not last forever. It will go bad. Wow, that's a lot of it. Holy crap. Yeah, this isn't a bad noodle. Yeah, I'll get some more of that. It's not my favorite. It's not mind-blowing, but it's good. It's a nice little kind of representation of a miso-ish thing. So watch that for a minute, won't you? that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you might see another one tomorrow. Oh, you will, but I don't know. I think I'm going to review more tomorrow, so we'll see. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Bye-bye.